English translation. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Save prophet, He is Allah, the one and invisible. Allah the sustainer of the earth. None is born of Him, and none He was born, and there is comparable to Him.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.